Hey guys, it's your girl Mallory. I just had a thought, and then I thought this thought came from like my soul and my being, and this is a really important thought, and I have to document it like now. You might never see this, like the internet may never see it too, but if you're seeing this video, I have made a detrimental and life-changing decision. I think I might get bangs. But here's the deal. People think they're like just for children. Well, I'm a grown person and I want them. But it takes a lot of time to grow out, like months or even years. And then you have to deal with people asking, what are you doing? What are you doing? And I'm like, this isn't a choice. I'm just growing out my bangs. I guess it's just a really big commitment, you know?
Dingleberry's my favorite fruit.